So the next thing I want to do is add an image map that's going to mask off the procedural treads to accommodate the tread work that I have as image maps. So that's this top map up here, and you can see it divides the sole into two sections, and I'm just going to drag and drop that and set that right on top of the stack there. And you can see it applies it as a diffuse color at first. By default, but you can see where it's going to mask off the procedurals. Now, in order to use this image as a mask, I have to literally drag and drop it on top of the item I want to mask. In this case, it's the procedural displacement item. And now, as you can see, it has masked off the area of the sole that I want to place the other tread work that I have as an image map. So let's go ahead and do that right now. As you can see, I've already prepared an image map that I want to use as this tread work, and I'm going to just drag and drop that into the material stack there, and right on top, as you can see, it places that as a diffuse color right there. And now all we have to do is change the effect from diffuse color, go down to displacement under surface shading, and voila. However, the white part of the image map there, the broad white part, is actually overwriting the procedural treads. And that's because I placed that image map at the top of the stack. Now, if I just drag it down below the procedural, you'll see that it won't interfere with the procedural treads at all. So they can both coexist on the same material. All right, the last thing I want to do is add an image map that's going to act as a border between the two different types of tread work that we have on the bottom of the sole. So I've already prepared a black and white image to do just that. I'm just going to drag it and drop it on top of the stack there. And as you can see, where the border was going to fall, I just need to change its effect type to a group mask. All right. Now give it a second. Now, as you can see, it did create a group mask. However, if we look real close, it overwrote the other group mask that's sitting below it. So what I just need to do is change its blending mode from normal to multiply, and give it a second. And there, you can see that both image maps are acting as a single group mask for the sole tread work.